Hi, this is Janice Vega, and today I am here to make a quick review on regards the content for the exam. We're going to review Unit 6 from Topnotch Fundamentals book. Let's start. The first topic we spoke about was the use of demonstratives. We use these and these for things that are close or near to us. This is for singular and this is for plural. The second one has a longer sound. These. We use that and those to speak about things that are far from us. That is for singular and those is for plural. Let's do some examples with clothes. This is a yellow coat. That is a green jacket. These are three blue t-shirts. Those are two orange skirts. You can use the hand to know if the things are close or not from you. We use the subject verb agreement to speak in simple present tense. We use the third person in simple present, but it's needed that you add an s at the end of the verb. This does not make the sentence plural. For example, Diana wants a new skirt. She only won one skirt, but still, we use the s because Diana means she, and she is third person. So, Diana wants a new skirt is the correct form of saying it. What will be incorrect is saying Diana want a new skirt because Diana means she, and we need to add an s at the end of the verb. Whenever you use I, you, we, and they, we do not need to add an s at the end of the verb, and the sentence will still be in singular. You need a beige tie will be the correct form of saying it because you is not third person. You needs a beige tie will be the incorrect one because we don't need to add the s at the end of the verb. Now let us review the use of do and does. The simple present tense uses do and does mainly for questions and negative statements as an auxiliary verb. We use do with the pronouns I, you, we, and they. Let's check out the example. Do you want a black dress? A positive answer will be yes, I do. And a negative one will be no, I don't, or no, I do not. We use does with the pronouns he, she, and it, third person in singular. Let's check out the example. Does Anna like hats? A positive answer will be yes, she does. A negative answer will be no, she doesn't, or no, she does not. Something important is the fact that when we use does, the s at the end of the verb is not needed. That is why we said, does Anna like hats? Instead of, does Anna likes hats? No, that is incorrect. If we use does, the s is not needed. Does Anna like hats? Now, let's talk about opposites. We're going to use some opposites to describe clothes. Dirty, clean, very yellow t-shirt, clean yellow t-shirt, cheap jewelry, expensive jewelry, cheap, expensive, dirty, clean. Whenever we use opposites, it is important that we learn how to organize adjectives. Remember that the adjectives comes before the nouns that they are describing. For example, a long skirt, tight shoes, a red black tie. The adjectives does not change. A clean shirt, clean shirts. No cleans shirts. Be careful. It's a long skirt, not a skirt long. Now, we're going to talk about information questions. For them, we need to use WH words such as what, when, how, where. Right here, I have a model of a conversation that you may try to practice. What do you need? I need a dress. What is the price of this one? This is $150. Oh, wow, it's an expensive dress. This one is $50. Perfect. I want the cheap one. Right here in the conversation, we can see that we use new dress and we also use expensive dress and cheap one. Expensive dress is the opposite of cheap. Do you remember what is the opposite of new? Yes, old is the opposite of new. Now, you can pause the video to practice this exercise. Remember that you can find them on your book. After this, now is your turn. This is an extra points homework. You can make a video of yourself modeling three of your favorite outfits. Describe each outfit using opposites in the descriptions. Be creative and make it fun. This is all for today. Do not forget to use your book and the material that we have uploaded to the platform to study. Good luck on your exam.